Welcome to Maestro Sersea's American English, Culture, and Travel podcast. Created by a California educator with more than 35 years of English language teaching experience, a love for American culture and democracy, and a passion for American road trips, this podcast helps American English learners as well as prospective visitors and immigrants a window into American language, culture, and travel destinations. Each podcast episode is dedicated to sharing lessons and insights into learning American English, understanding American culture, values, and norms, as well as virtually traveling to key destinations throughout the United States of America as a whole. Whether you wish to learn or improve your American English comprehension and communication skills, develop an understanding of the United States of America and its way of life, or become familiar with top American destinations, our weekly podcast episodes of Maestro Sersea's American English, Culture, and Travel podcast will both educate, enlighten, and entertain you. In today's episode, we will cover the following two parts. 1. Speak America, Lesson 5, Making Phone Calls. 2. Discover America, the complete road trip and travel guide, California. We hope you'll enjoy today's episode and invite you to subscribe to receive weekly episodes from us. Don't forget to also visit our official website, americanenglish.online, for numerous educational resources to help you on your learning journey. And now, are you ready to improve your knowledge and your skills? Let's begin. And now, here's Section 1, Speak America. Lesson 5. 5. Making phone calls. Communicating clearly over the phone. Part 1. Dialogue. Caller. Hello, this is Maria Santos. I'm calling to confirm my appointment for Thursday. Receptionist. Hi, Maria. Let me pull up your file. Could you confirm your date of birth? Caller. Sure, it's March 15th, 1990. Receptionist. Got it. Yes, you're scheduled for Thursday at 2 p.m. with Drive Lee. Caller. Perfect. Is there anything I need to bring? Receptionist. Just your insurance card and a photo ID. Caller. Great. Is there parking available? Receptionist. Yes, there's a free parking lot right behind the building. Part 2. Mini Guidance Article. Mini Guidance Article, Mastering Phone Communication in the USA. Phone calls are still a major part of American professional and daily life, for making appointments, calling customer service, talking to landlords, and more. Having a competent telephone presence is an important skill for immigrants and international visitors. Always begin a call by clearly identifying yourself. Hello, this is your name. Then state your purpose immediately. I'm calling to schedule an appointment, or I'm calling about my account. Americans appreciate directness. They prefer getting to the point quickly rather than lengthy small talk on business calls. If you don't understand something, it's completely acceptable to say, "I'm sorry, could you repeat that?" Or, "Could you speak a little slower, please?" Most people are patient and will happily repeat themselves. Never pretend to understand something you didn't catch. When leaving a voicemail, speak slowly and clearly. State your name, phone number, reason for calling, and the best time to reach you. Repeat your phone number twice. People write it down while listening and appreciate the second chance to catch it. Part 3: Examples and Tips. 5 useful examples with tips. Example 1. Hello, this is James Park. I'm calling to inquire about an open position. Tip: always give your full name at the start of a professional call. It sets a confident, organized tone. Example 2. Could you spell that for me, please? Tip: asking someone to spell a name or address prevents costly misunderstandings. Never guess. Example 3. I'm sorry, could you repeat the last part? I didn't quite catch that. Tip: it's better to ask twice than to miss critical information. This is always well received. Example 4. I'll be available after 3 p.m. Is there a good number to reach you at? Tip: offering a callback time shows professionalism and consideration for the other person's schedule. Example 5. Thank you for your help. Have a great day. Closing a call. Tip: a warm, positive closing leaves a good impression and is the standard way to end American phone calls. Okay, are you ready for some American travel information? Here's Section 2, Discover America, the complete road trip and travel guide, California. Chapter 5. California. The Golden State. Capital, Sacramento. Scenic Highway Highlight. Pacific Coast Highway, Highway 1, arguably America's most famous scenic drive, hugging the Pacific coastline from Leggett to Dana Point through Big Sur's dramatic cliffs and crashing surf. 1. Yosemite National Park. About this destination. One of America's crown jewels, Yosemite Valley features granite monoliths like El Capitan and Half Dome, thundering waterfalls, ancient sequoias, and meadows of incomparable beauty. Insider tips and strategies. Tip 1. Require a timed entry reservation. From May through October, Yosemite Valley requires advance timed entry reservations. Book at recreation.gov. The moment reservations open, typically months in advance, or you may be turned away. Tip 2. Stay in Curry Village or housekeeping camp. Lodging within the valley sells out nearly instantly. If you can't book a lodge, Curry Village tent cabins offer an affordable and memorable way to sleep inside the park. Tip 3. Visit in fall for fewer crowds. September and October offer warm days, changing oak leaves, quieter trails, and waterfalls that, while lower than spring's peak flow, still enchant. Many say fall is Yosemite at its best. 2. San Francisco. About this destination. A city like no other, San Francisco captivates with its Victorian architecture, iconic Golden Gate Bridge, world-renowned food scene, cultural diversity, and unique fog-kissed personality. Insider tips and strategies. Tip 1. Use BART and Muni to get around. Driving and parking in San Francisco is frustrating and expensive. BART connects the airport to downtown, and Muni, buses and cable cars, covers most tourist areas efficiently for just a few dollars per ride. Tip 2. Walk the Embarcadero to the ferry building. San Francisco's waterfront promenade leads to the ferry building marketplace, a food lover's paradise with artisan cheese, coffee, oysters, and the city's best farmers market on Tuesdays and Saturdays. Tip 3. Explore neighborhoods beyond Fisherman's Wharf. While the wharf has its charms, the real San Francisco lives in neighborhoods like the Mission, Murals and Tacos, Castro, LGBTQ+ history, and Haight-Ashbury, counterculture legacy. 3. Los Angeles. About this destination. A sprawling, sun-drenched metropolis of entertainment, beach culture, ethnic cuisine, and iconic landmarks, Los Angeles rewards those willing to navigate its vastness with world-class experiences. Insider tips and strategies. Tip 1. Rent a car, it's essential. Los Angeles has limited public transportation for tourists. A rental car, booked in advance for better prices, gives you the freedom to explore the vast city and reach beaches, canyons, and neighborhoods on your schedule. Tip 2. Visit Getty Center on a clear morning. Free admission, parking costs $22, and one of the world's greatest art collections in a stunning hilltop setting. Clear mornings offer views from downtown LA to the Pacific. Arrive when it opens. Tip 3. Experience the food diversity. LA has some of America's most diverse food in the world. Explore Koreatown, Little Tokyo, Boyle Heights for authentic Mexican tacos, Thai Town, and the Grand Central Market downtown, a multicultural food wonderland. Thank you for listening to this episode of Maestro Sersea's American English, Culture, and Travel Podcast. Whether you wish to learn or improve your American English comprehension and communication skills, develop an understanding of the United States of America and its way of life, or become familiar with top American destinations, our weekly podcast episodes of Maestro Sersea's American English, Culture, and Travel Podcast will educate, enlighten, and entertain you. We encourage you to visit our AmericanEnglish.online website via our link in the description section below for additional articles, lessons, and weekly podcasts we offer, all available on our website and major streaming platforms. Thank you for joining us today, and don't forget to subscribe to receive the latest episodes on a regular basis. Thank you, and have a wonderful week ahead.